Hi, welcome to creating your own escape room. So the first thing that you need to do is create a slide in Google Slides. So we'll just like Google Slides. And if you don't have a Google account, you'll have to set one up. You'll have to set up the slides, but it's really quite simple. And then we're just going to hit blank. And blank's going to bring up a blank screen. And what we're going to do is we want to start with a background. So I'm going to click on background, and then we need to choose an image. So you just choose image, and you can collect or you can grab an image from anywhere. I'm going to upload one from my own computer, so I'm going to browse that. And I'm going to go, and I have lots of different things that I could browse, but what I really want is the Bat Cave. So I'm going to go ahead and click on the Bat Cave, and that's going to be my background for my slide. So there's the background, and notice here I have some click to edit. See that kind of word left over? I'm just going to delete that text box. I don't need it. So now I might want to add an item. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert, and I'm going to go insert an image, and I'm going to actually search the web here, and I'm going to look for a transparent image. So I'm going to type transparent image, and I'm going to say Robin, right? So Batman, Robin. Let's see what this comes up with. Oh, there's a Robin action figure. You know what? I think that's going to be good for the Bat Cave. So there's Robin. He's a little too big, so I'm just going to go ahead and shrink Robin down. And I'm going to put him over here by the Batmobile and the T-Rex. So there we go. Now he's not in proportion, but that's okay. So now I want Robin to be linked to something. So what I can do is I can click on this link and I can link him somewhere. But before I do that, I need to create a Google form. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go Google form, because I need a form. And I'm going to click on Google Forms sign in. I'm already signed in. Again, you can create an account if you want. And I'm going to click on blank. And this is going to allow me to create a form. And what I'm going to really create is a quiz with questions. So I'm going to go clue number 1. So let me delete that, clue 1. And then I can have a description of the form if I want to. But then I can have an untitled question. Enter the clue below. And you can do this as multiple choice. You can do it as a drop box, as a paragraph, or what I want is a short answer. So I'm going to click on short answer, and then that's going to be the clue. And I'm going to make it required. So you're going to have to put in a short answer here, and I'm even going to validate the response. That way, if somebody enters something incorrectly, it's not going to go to the next level. And it's not a number, I want text. And I want the text to, in this case, contain the word bat. So that's going to be one of the clues. And if they don't get it right, I'm going to give this, sorry, you need to try again. Okay, and so now it's validated, it's required, that's my questionnaire. Now I can call this clue 1 as my document. So clue 1, enter the clue below. So what I'm going to do in order to send this is we're going to go here and we're going to go to this link, right? We're not going to email it or embed it. We're just going to go to the link, and that's way too long. We're just going to shorten the URL and Control C, and we're going to copy it. We're going to go back then to our escape room. Here's our Robin, and I'm going to click on the link. I'm going to insert that link and I'm going to apply it. Now Robin is linked to that particular item. So if I go ahead and hit slideshow and I click on my pal Robin, boom, it opens clue number 1. I type in the word bat, I submit it, and I've done it. Now let's say I submit the wrong thing. Let's say I submit Robin. Oh, not going to work, right? Sorry, you need to try again. So now I have linked my Robin to my Google form. And so you can keep creating those as many as you would like. So now let's say that, oh, that was fun, but let's add another item. So let's go back here and, whoops, I went too far, but that's okay. Click on that. Now I might want to add another item. So I'm going to go ahead and insert image, and then maybe we'll search the web and we'll do transparent image, but logo Batman. And so we're going to add transparent Batman logo. I think this is kind of cool, this logo there. I'm going to hit insert, and it's going to insert my Batman logo, and I am going to shrink that. I'm going to put it right up here in the middle. Now, let's say that I want to make this a link as well, but I don't have anything really. I could link it right here, right, like that. But let's say, and that would be very simple. So I would do that. I would type in my link. Let's do the same link, apply that, and that's going to work the same way. So as I do slideshow, I click on this image here, and it's going to take me to the same clue. So I need to make more clues. But let's say I go back to my room, and I want T-Rex to be, oh, I did it again. I want T-Rex to be a clue. So I can't click on T-Rex because he's part of the background. Remember, I brought in that background image. But what I can do is I can go to shape, and I can choose a shape that kind of fits my T-Rex. Let's just do his head there. And so now I have this ugly box, right? So the good thing to do is make it a link now. So I can click on that, and I can come down here. I did a right click. Let me do that. I right click. I come down to link. I click on link, and I type in my link, and then I apply that. Now that's great. Woo, 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 woo. That's great, but I don't like this. I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go transparent, and I'm going to go here, and I'm going to go transparent, and that should have made a transparent link, but it didn't. Let me do this again. Sorry about that. So let's click link. I search my link. I hit apply. That's good. Now I can delete this. I don't know what that thing is doing there. Yeah, I accidentally put it in as text. Oh, that's what I did wrong. So clue, you could write the word clue there and make it a text if you wanted to. You can see tiny clue, but I'm just going to delete that altogether. And now this is a hot link. So if I hit slideshow again, I can, notice my cursor becomes a hand, cursor becomes a hand, and here cursor becomes a hand. I click on T-Rex, the mouth of T-Rex, and boom, I go right to my clue. So that's how you create a really fun, engaging escape room relatively quickly.